you ever wondered how a handgun works? In this video, we'll break down the basic mechanism behind one of the most commonly used firearms step by step. First, the shooter loads bullets into the magazine. Each bullet is a complete cartridge consisting of a case, gunpowder, primer, and the bullet itself. The magazine is then inserted into the handgun's grip. Next, the slide is pulled back. This action chambers the first round by moving a bullet from the magazine into the barrel and cocks the firing mechanism. Now the gun is ready to fire. When the trigger is pulled, the firing pin strikes the primer of the cartridge. This creates a spark that ignites the gunpowder inside the cartridge case. The explosion of the gunpowder creates a high-pressure gas that forces the bullet out of the barrel at high speed. After the bullet is fired, the slide moves back due to the recoil. This ejects the spent cartridge case and chambers the next round from the magazine. This semi-automatic cycle continues until the magazine is empty. That's a quick look at how a handgun works. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about fascinating mechanisms, engineering concepts, or everyday tech, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Learn with Venky.